Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can download TikTok videos without watermark for free. Very easy, very simple guys. But first, let's find a video that we want to download, okay? Let's go on TikTok. Let's say we want to download this video over here. All we gotta do is to click on the arrow that is under the comment section. When you come over here, you have one menu, you have second menu, and here on the second menu on the left there is a blue button that says link. You want to copy on the link. Now we get the copy of the link on our clipboard. The second step, it's even easier. All we gotta do is to go on Google Chrome and look for this website over here. It's called snaptik.app. You click on this one and then you want to paste the link that we copied from the video and click download. Very easy. You saw how fast the website processed the video. So you have a couple of options to download the video from, and the videos will be coming without watermark. So this is very good guys. For more tips like this, subscribe and come back for more.